Ice's house, my friend's house, to eat the Persian food. Look at the wind.
Beautiful.
The flower edible.
I hope so.
Yeah. I wanna try.
Hi.
Hi.
That one is Persian right there.
Persian. This is like me.
What's the history?
What's this drink?
Light? No, what they call it in English? Light lamp.
Lantern. Yeah, lantern.
What? Like this much would probably make you full. What it made of?
Yeah.
Okay. So flour, saffron,
Oh, saffron again.
rose water.
Is it a different size? Yeah.
Can I drink it?
Yeah, sure.
Yay.
But careful, it's hot. Let me show you my cities.
Whoa, what's a revelation? Was the unit brought the beauty standard?
Yeah. Show you. Picture.
Trying this one. What is it called again?
Halva. Halva.
Okay, halva. Okay.
Yeah.
We tried this already.
Should I tell them the fun fact?
Uh-huh.
We usually make it for funerals, like when someone dies.
Oh. Snack.
Snack. Combination.
Yeah. It's
And
one
it's
of the
very
main dishes in
delicious.
Persia. Bagali polo, which is made of dill and beans.
How about this one?
That's salad.
Do you
Appetizer.
put any like special seasoning in it?
Olive oil, salt, yeah, lemon juice, and that's it.
Okay.
Chris the guest. We cannot eat until the guessing.
Ah.
Just kidding.
Okay, never
It's
mind.
shaky. Oh.
wow, cook.
خمین. Yes.
Saffron.
ولی این نوع خیلی گرونه ما خودمونم از کم
As you know, it's expensive, so we don't use it a lot here.
استفاده
Our rice was made with saffron, but the crispy rice was made with the powder. It doesn't need to be coconut oil.
بگو اینو میتونی سویه
Just a
بدون
little
قابلمه
crispy
اونجا
rice.
خب 50 minutes
15.
Do you wash the rice?
Yes.
اینو دیگه کمی
We have to lower the flame in 20 minutes.
20 minutes 20 น่าจะได้อ่ะเดี๋ยวชิม
Hard. So. Did you just eat the rice? So hard.
Taste.
บอกว่า
You have to eat. You have to.
Not yet.
Try it.
Really?
Try it or eat it.
just มาแล้วนะ
No, you don't have to. You don't have to.
ไม่ต้อง
The oil, the coloring, saffron with this powder.
minutes
Professional.
بیشتر هم بذاره
I think it's fine, mommy.
هنوز نشده
It's not fine.
What?